Oh, hey, glad you're back. Let me tell you about what to do when you have a hill in your backyard, but you want to put a pool and spa back there. So I'm going to show you a project that we're getting ready to start in just a few weeks for a client who has a shortened backyard because they have a slope. So as you can see, here's some pictures of their yard. They've got this retaining wall that's going across. They've got this slope that's really taking up all this valuable real estate in their backyard, places where they could be swimming. So just because you have a slope in your backyard doesn't mean you can't have a pool. You just have to get creative. So let's dive in and take a look at their project. Okay, so for this project, as you can see, we've got a real unique pool and spa shape for these guys. And of course, you can't forget their dog. So since their yard is limited on space, we're getting a little creative and using the slope to our advantage. So instead of having a perfectly flat pool in their backyard, we're going to use that slope and build some tiers so they can have this really awesome elevated deck area so they can look over their yard. But the thing you have to remember is when you're building a pool into a slope, of course, the hill is going to want to fall into the slope, so you've got to have retaining walls. So for this particular project, we incorporated that into the design itself to make something that is really pretty and will really stand out and give their yard a lot of character, plus give them all the benefits of having that pool and spa that they've just been dreaming about for years and years and years. The space is limited, so we can't have the pool equipment on the side of the house, so we had to incorporate having the pool equipment out in the yard with the pool, but of course nobody wants to look at pool equipment. So we took that retaining wall and continued it along to be a barrier for that pool equipment again, so they don't have to look at it and they can enjoy their pool. We had to be creative with the space to make sure that we can get the pool and spa and pool equipment in the yard, but I think it came out really amazing. And these guys are so excited for their pool, and I gotta tell you, we are equally as excited to get started.